Here is how you can set up a daily schedule on the iPhone. Let me show you the way I prefer. I know a lot of people use it the same way as well, but if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So the routine or a schedule on the iPhone, it's going to consist of both using the calendar to map out your day, as well as setting up your phone in a way that it's going to actually serve the purpose. So at first, you cannot decide which calendar app you want to use. You can go obviously with the Apple one or get a Google Calendar. And essentially, the best way would be to set up your day, the schedule. Right, so you are going to go to the day view. Let's say that you wake up at 6 a.m. and you can basically map out your day like that. So you see and select the morning routine like 6 to 7 a.m. and you can perform it as such, fill up the calendar with all of the things which you do. And since it's a schedule, it's likely going to be repeated. So you can also make the events be repeated daily or on certain days of the week, however you like it. And then you can see and keep track of your schedule inside of your calendar, right? It's also great because you can add the calendar widget to your home screen. No matter which app you have, you can add it from any of them and you can quickly see what's up at that specific time of the day in your calendar. So if you have it on the home screen, always visible, then it actually is really a good idea. But then that is just the schedule, right? You can see it in the calendar. But in order for the phone to kind of serve the purpose of that, I think it's better to set up the focus modes as well as the screen time restrictions. So you can get inside of your settings and find the focus section, and depends on what you set up into your calendar. But if you have things like work block or I don't know, fun or whatever else, it's important to set up the do not disturb modes for that. So for example, a great option is to go with the work mode and choose which people can talk to you and contact you and which apps are allowed and so on, right? You can choose a different wallpaper for that period. Perhaps you want something motivating for the work block, whatever, right? So that's one thing, but you need to also set up the schedule for that. So if you go to the schedule mode, you can set up the time and choose it to begin from, I don't know, 9 to 5, whatever, right? And this is going to correlate with the schedule we set up in the calendar. So, when the time comes for you to go to work, the work mode is going to be enabled, and when you leave work, it's going to be turned off. And that's the point. These are the modes which you can set up, which are going to serve the purpose of that particular activity throughout the day. So obviously you need to know for yourself how exactly you want to use it, but I just wanted to show you the blueprint of how you can make the iPhone actually serve you and have this daily schedule on the iPhone. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.